Hi, I'm Tammy. Today I'm going to make a pear and rosemary margarita. This is going to be delicious. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our glass and we're going to rim it with this lime. I pre-squeezed a whole lime, so I'm going to use its remnants on this glass. Then we're going to put this glass in some lemon sugar, which is going to be delish. All right, doesn't that look pretty? Okay, now we're ready to mix our ingredients. Well, first, before we mix our ingredients, let's go ahead and get our crushed ice in this glass because this is a little tricky. I pre-crushed the ice as well, and so we don't mess up our sugar, we need to be a little bit careful. So use the spoon. I might make a little bit of a mess, but I think I can get it all in here without too much ice casualty. Oh, perfect. All right. Now we can actually mix the drink. So first things first, I have some ice in the shaker. Oh, that's my neighbor's dog. So I have some ice in the shaker. Like I told you, pre-squeezed a whole lime. Here's the juice. Boom. It's in the shaker. Now, let's use some tequila. We're going to use 2 ounces because we want it a little boozy. Because it is a margarita. 1.5. And another half makes 2. Alright, now we're going to use agave. Agave is a sweetener, and it is natural, and it is delicious, and it is used in a lot of Mexican drinks like palomas and margaritas, a lot of others. So we're going to use 1/2 ounce of the agave. If you haven't tried agave, delicious. You should try it. Okay, now this is just some pre-store-bought pear juice. I really don't know how to make pear juice on my own. I've never squeezed a pear. I really don't know if you can squeeze a pear or how they get pear juice, but we got some pear juice. I think it's organic. Yeah, it's organic pear juice. So we're going to use 2 ounces of this. 1.5. And that makes 2. Now we can go ahead and get this shaken up. I can't shake real rigorously, so just shake a little bit here to get it cold. We are putting it over crushed ice, so it's going to be cold once it goes over that ice anyway. It did make a nice cold ring all the way around, so it is pretty cold. All right, we're going to drain this over the crushed ice. Whew, there's some smoke in my eyes. Whew. All right, so a little smoke's what I get for backyard bartending. Going to put some rosemary. I'm just tapping it to let out some of the oils, get some fragrance. We're going to put the rosemary in. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Okay, straw. It's really not environmentally friendly, but I really like my plastic straws. All right, this drink is ready to be tasted, and I'm ready to drink it. So, ready? Here we go. This is absolutely fantastic. Guys, you have to try this drink. I'm going to be honest, I hadn't tried this drink till today. I saw this drink and I thought, wow, that sounds really good. I've had watermelon margaritas. I've had all different types of margaritas. Presidential. I make my own homemade with orange. So I've tried all these different types of margaritas, but I've never heard of a pear margarita. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, got to try it. It is great. It will not disappoint you. Try it, try it, try it, please. It is fantastic. And with the rosemary, it just takes it above the top. So I hope you try it. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks, and cheers.